Hi again. Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make sweet and spicy skillet green beans. These green beans are a quick and easy side dish your family will love. Tender, fresh green beans are sauteed and coated in a sweet and savory sauce with just a little kick. Make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I share new recipes. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, so the first step in making our skillet green beans is we need to get some onions sauteed. So I have some butter. I'm just going to get into my skillet and we'll get that melted. Okay, so our butter is melted. I'm going to go ahead and get just a little bit of diced onion in there. We don't need a ton. And I like to do a nice fine dice on these onions because it just makes it easier to eat when the green beans come out. I'm gonna keep them moving. Oh, I just love the smell of onions cooking in butter. You guys, this is incredible. Like, I think it just made my stomach rumble. Okay, these onions are looking perfect. So to this, we are going to add our green beans. Oops, and I noticed one I missed. I didn't do a good job at cleaning them. And we're just going to toss those around in the butter and get the onions up, mixed in with them. And to this, we're going to add some of my house seasoning blend, and I will share this recipe in the video description. This is my go-to seasoning blend. I use it on everything that calls for salt and pepper. It just gives an extra layer of flavor. And I like to keep the beans moving as I'm cooking them, tossing them around so the top ones move to the bottom and the bottom ones get rotated. Oh, this smells so good. We're just looking to get them like just a nice tenderness. So they'll start to blister up a little bit as they cook. So while these are going, we are going to make our sauce for this. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some brown sugar, some soy sauce, and a little bit of crushed red pepper, which is what makes these beans spicy. And then we're going to just mix that around. And it makes like a glaze almost. It's not even a sauce. It just kind of gets the brown sugar a little moist. So we're going to get that mixed up and we'll set that aside because we'll need that in a minute. All right, so our green beans are looking done. They've got like, oh, the color on them is so bright. And you can see where they start to blister. So we're just going to add that sauce that we made into the skillet. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. It's a little high. Oh, and immediately you can see that sugar caramelizing. So you want to be really quick at this point and get everything tossed. In fact, I'm going to turn the heat off. And the heat will wake that crushed red pepper up and really give it a punch. So if you don't like these spicy, you could totally leave the crushed red pepper out. That's entirely up to you. Oh yeah. Okay, these are perfect. I'm gonna get them off the heat. Okay, so our green beans are done. And let me tell you, they smell amazing. We're gonna dive in here and give them a try. I see a small one here on top. See if I can get it without making the whole pile of beans fall over. Here we go. Sweet from the brown sugar, salty from the soy sauce, and ooh, there's that kick from the crushed red pepper. It just kind of hit me from the back. Oh, you guys, these are amazing. They take plain old boring green beans and jack them up like 20 notches. These would be the perfect thing to go with my porchetta pork chops. You can grab that recipe here on my YouTube channel, or really anything. You could even just eat these just as they are. They are that delicious. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And be sure to check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.